Okay, starting a new test review. This is test 3 review. So after this is the final, but there is more homework that is not on test 3 that will be on the final. So you'll go through this material for test 3, some more material, and then get the final. So the final will cover test 1, test 2, test 3, and an additional bit of homework that you did, and then you'll take the final that way. Okay, so we're doing problems 1, 2, 3, and 4, and it's all adding fractions with like denominators. Adding fractions with like denominators. So when you have like denominators, you don't have to change the denominators to a common denominator because it's already a common denominator. So all you do is add the numerators. You do not add denominators ever under any circumstances. Okay, so 14 plus 10 is 24. We do not add denominators. There's already a common denominator, so it just becomes 66. Now we have to put in the lowest terms. And we know we can divide this. I'm guessing we can divide it by 3. So 3 into 24 is 8, meaning we can reduce this. 3 into 66, 22, because 3 into 6 is 2, 3 into 6 is 2. 8 reduces to 8 22nd, which can reduce more. Because they're both even numbers, we can continue dividing by 2. So over here we divided by 3, and now we're dividing by 2. We divide by 2 now to get 4 elevenths. So the answer is 4 elevenths, and that's reduced. Now when we add vertically like this, when you have the same denominators, it's the same procedure. You simply add the numerators. So 5 plus 1 is 6. You do not add the denominators, you just have a common denominator, and then it says we have to put it in lowest terms. So in this situation we can divide each of these numbers by 3 to reduce our fraction. So we have 6 divided by 3 is 2, 9 divided by 3 is 3, and our answer becomes 2/3. So in problem 3, once again, we do have common denominators, so all we add is the numerators. 4 plus 1 is 5, plus 7 is 12. And the denominator stays the same. Now we have an improper fraction, so we have to write it as a mixed number. 9 into 12 goes one time, and subtract 12 minus 9 is 3, and we have 3 goes over, remainder goes over divisor, and you end up with 1 and 3/9. But this fraction here, 3/9, can be reduced further, and we can divide each number by 3 to get 1/3. So our answer, don't forget there's this whole number over here, is 1 and 1/3. So what we did is our answer of 12/9 was then reduced, changed to a mixed number, and reduced to 1 and 1/3 for our answer to number 3. Number 4, we're just adding numerators because there's already a common denominator. So 3 plus 1 plus 3 is 4 plus 3 is 7/8. 7/8 is already reduced. So we have an answer for number 4 of 7/8.